right. It's like nighttime. Everything just automatically just picks up like crazy. This is Center-Gai coming up just after the Shibuya crossing, which is right over there. I was actually here earlier in the day when I came through here. It's like double the amount of people. Gotta love this Tokyo nightlife. It is so cool. This goes on till wee hours of the morning. Look at this store. This is really something. So today has been a really active day for me. I've seen several places in one day, and it is so exciting. Those cabs are really nice, by the way. Tell me what you think about this place in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I love comments. Everything is so vibrant around here. Everywhere. And I have this camera pointing almost everywhere, and nobody even cares because everybody else has the camera out too. Got some good ramen here. This is really authentic ramen too. This is the Shibuya crossing right in front of me. This is insane. Shibuya safety patrol guys out here. How about that? It is so safe out here. Everybody's kind. Look at these little go-karts. I gotta show them to you. You can ride all over Tokyo on these things, or part of it. I think it's like about $200 US for a couple hours maybe. Pretty cool. And you know what? It's like this every night, not just certain nights of the week. This is what it's like crossing the road on almost any intersection. Nobody jaywalks around here. I think it's illegal. You get fined if you jaywalking. Oh, those family marts are awesome. If you're looking for really budget food, go in there. Unbelievable. I think it's actually better than a 7-Eleven. You know, up here is a Tower Records, and I thought for sure that place had closed. I mean, maybe in the US, but over here in Tokyo, it's rocking. Okay, so it's time to go back to the hotel. Heading to Shinjuku tomorrow, which is just one station over, so a very short ride, but I want to check some of it out. So I hope to see you in my next video here in Japan, Tokyo, later.